Okay, this one's going to seem very obvious for everyone, but the person that I want to introduce you to currently, right now, in section one or lesson one, or I guess maybe it's lesson two, is, you guessed it, myself. Okay. I'm not quite sure how a lot of you came across this particular website, how you got here. It could have been a number of different ways. If you are not following us on or following me on the different social media, X, LinkedIn, like all of them, TikTok, YouTube, all those types of things, take the time right now. Go find me. I am at Elliot Schoner every single where, and like it. We interact, or I post different things into actually different places. So what you'll find on TikTok is going to be completely different than what you'll find on YouTube, which is completely different than you'll find on X. Okay. On X, I'm responding to in a lot of cases, a lot of very bad information that's out there. And I'll take that bad information and I'll kind of repost it and I'll put my comments in there. That's really great information because it is important you see what other people are saying and sort of what what the counter is to that. Okay. On YouTube, of course, we have all of the content here for the 13th grade. We have all of our lessons, we have bonus content, but more specifically, we have additional long form videos that really deep dive into the various areas, kind of putting these principles into place, right? So, for example, if you wanted to learn about, like, what is this day trading thing, or what is wholesaling, or what is fix or flipping, or how do you even evaluate a property to know if it's a good short-term rental, or if I'm setting up my short-term rental, how do I even do that? How do I set up the profile page or the listing page? Does this photography matter? What do I put in the description? How do I furnish the place? How do I ensure that I get a maximum occupancy and very little vacancy to ensure that I'm successful and I can cover the mortgage and make money? All of those deep dives are within the YouTube where it is most appropriate for the long form. And then things like TikTok and places like that, kind of the same thing. A lot of reactions to a lot of bad information. We also go live there because it's a great platform to do. The point is follow in all the different social medias so that when we go live, we can stay connected. The number one thing that's going to be sort of critical to you being successful is that you surround yourself with like-minded people, your circle of influence. We cover that in like lesson three, or the one coming up. Okay. Part of that, obviously, I think I should be part of that because hopefully, I'm kind of being your mentor here for a moment. But we're also going to recommend that you follow other people so that we can get out the earn and consume lifestyle stuff out of your house, get out, or out of your profiles, get out of the stuff out there that's going to make you sort of make bad decisions. And we're going to introduce you to things and people that will start to change your mind and affect you in a way that you'll wake up a couple of years from now and kind of not even realize that you are a completely different person. So by connecting with us and also connecting with the people that we will give you and sort of introduce you to over the course of the next several weeks here, you're going to be able to sort of change your circle of influence, which again is going to ultimately greatly affect your ability to be successful in this program. So give us a like. Go follow us at Elliot Show everywhere, and I'll see you on the socials.